My name is Ariana Yang.
My name is Eason.
My name is Megan.
My name is Jody.
I am STEAM Project's SOP.
I'm an SLP.
SLP.
I'm an SLP.
At the STEAM Project, I learned how to be a leader. I also learned how to code, which is what I really wanted to do for a long time.
I think that it was really fun. There's lots of building, hands-on stuff, and also helping other people.
So the thing I liked the most about the STEAM project was just being able to interact with the other campers and counselors.
I've created a little game here. I was inspired to make this game because I like video games and I wanted to learn how to code.
I made a box stool, so it's like a storage box that you could sit on.
We made something called zines, and a zine is basically just kind of like a mini magazine in a way.
I also built a joystick with a 3D printed shell.
I learned how to sew for woodworking. I learned how to use the drill, and also a handsaw to saw the handle apart.
And I also learned how to use Cricut, which was it's really cool.
There were many different things that I liked about this program. It just overall taught me to develop some skills and also be myself.